everyone, the COVID-19 virus is causing havoc all around the world and we're all in quarantine. It's really boring actually, and I have to try making ways to entertain myself, like playing video games, watching videos, and some art and craft, and a little bit of reading. But one fun thing I love to do at this time is I love cooking, right? So with my mom, I always experiment different recipes. And today I want to show you how to make this yummy recipe me and my mom found out. How to make paneer balls. It's super tasty and kids will love it. You know, kids are always hungry and we're always due for a snack. Today, I'm going to show you how to make paneer balls. So let's begin. First, let's light up the stove. Perfect. Let's add ghee. Yeah, it's heated up. I'm going to splatter cumin seeds. Sizzling. They're spluttered. Chopped onion. Cook till transparent. Ginger garlic. Saute till raw smell goes. Chopped tomatoes. I'm going to cook until it's soft and mushy. Salt. Chili powder. And garam masala. Tomato sauce. I love tomato sauce. I'm with French fries, burgers, everything. I always love myself some tomato sauce. If you're bored in quarantine and you want to eat something, this is a recipe you should definitely try out. It's super yummy and it'll just, kick out your boredom. It smells amazing. Paneer. The paneer is fresh and it's crumbled. Next, I'm going to add some fresh cream. Looks yummy. Now we have to cook until the mixture dries up. My school closed in the first week of March. Next academic year starting somewhere around June. Just a couple of more seconds and it'll be dry. Let's switch it off. This filling is really versatile and you can use it to make sandwiches, bondas, samosas, etc. Now let's leave it to cool. Till then, let's crumble some bread. I have small bread. Since my bread slices are small, I'm using 6 of them. We might need more to make the bread balls. One more thing, I'm not going to be wasting these edges. I'm going to use them later. For now, we've got all the 6 of them ready. Let's put them inside. You can also use your blender to powder the bread. Let's do this. And it's done. I'm going to add some coriander leaves and the powdered bread. Oh, it's so soft. Let's try this much. It is rolling into perfect balls. So I don't think we need to add any more breadcrumbs. Here we have the leftover cut edges. Let's powder them. Here we've finished powdering the bread edges. Let's take it out and see. Wow, it's so fine. Let me just take this out. Let's keep this aside. Now I'm going to heat the oil for frying. While heating, I'm going to make the slurry. I'm using maida and water. Now, let's coat the balls. The oil is heated. Let's start frying. Now enjoy your quarantine with yummy paneer bread balls. Thanks for watching Kicha HD. Bye guys!